I never heard about any programming interview where they don't ask you to write some program like, write a program reverse a given string, write a Python program to sum of all digits in a given number, write a program to find factorial for a given number, and so on. Today, we have a special video lined up for all of you developer. In today's video we'll discuss most asked coding interview questions that frequently asked in any technical interviews for software engineering positions. Along with each question, we'll provide a detailed explanation of the problem and a step-by-step solution. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Question 1. Write a Python program to reverse a given number. Alright, in this question we are going to learn writing a Python program to reverse the digits of a given number. Reversing a number means that the digits in the number are flipped in order. For example, the number 12,345 will become 54,321 after reverse. There are several ways to reverse a number in Python programming. We can use for loops, while loops, slicing, or string manipulation to reverse the number. Let's explore all these different methods in detail. Method 1. Reverse given number using while loop in Python. Let's create a Python file. I have created 18_toot.py, you can create with any other name if you want. Let's write a Python program to reverse a given number using while loop. Here is the program. Don't worry, let me explain you about this program. In this program we have taken the input number from the user using the input function. With the help of int function we have converted input to an integer. Then initialized a variable reverse to 0 to assign the reversed number. Then we have used a while loop to reverse the number. In each iteration we have taken the last digit of the input number using the modulo operator. After that we are adding this digit to reverse variable by multiplied by 10 in reverse variable. This adds the digit to the leftmost position in reverse. Remove the last digit from the input number using integer division, which discards any remainder. This process continues until all the digits of the input number have been reversed. At last, print the reversed number using the print function of Python. Let's run the Python file to see the expected output. Open your command prompt and run Python file. It will ask you to enter a number. Let's enter a 1 2 3 4 5 and press enter. You will see the expected output. You can also try with any other number if you want. You will see the expected result. Method 2. Reverse a given number using string slicing in Python. Let me comment out previous method. Now let's see second method. Here is the program to reverse a given number using string slicing in Python. Let me explain you each line. First, taken the input number from the user with the help of input function of Python. Then convert it to an integer using the int function. After that we have converted the integer to a string using the str function. We have used slicing to reverse the string. In Python, slicing operation ::-1 creates a new string that is a reversed copy of the original string. Converted the reversed string back in the integer using int function of Python. Finally, print the reversed number using the print function. Question 2. Write a Python program to check whether an integer is Armstrong number or not. Alright, in this question we are going to learn how to create a Python program to check whether a given input number is Armstrong or not. So before moving directly on to the writing program, let's understand what is Armstrong number. An Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits raised to the power of the number of digits. For example, 153 is an Armstrong number. Because it has 3 digits, and 1 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 3 cubed is equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27 equals 153. Method 1. Check Armstrong number using a while loop. In this program, we first take the input from the user using the input function. After taking input, convert it to an integer using the int function. We created a temporary variable temp and assigned an input number to it. Also taken and initialized sum with 0. Computed the number of digits in the input number using the len function. Using a while loop to extract each digit of the input number by taking the modulo operator of the number with 10. We then raise the digit to the power of the number of digits using the operator and add it to the running total. We remove the last digit of the input number using integer division. We repeat this process until all the digits of the input number have been processed. Finally, we compare the total sum to the input number to check if it is an Armstrong number. If they are equal, we print a number is an Armstrong number, or else number is not an Armstrong number. Now let's run the Python file to see the result. When you will run the Python file, it will ask you to input a number. Let's try with different numbers. You will see the expected result as you can see on the screen. Method 2. Check Armstrong number using list comprehension. Let me comment previous method and write program for method 2. In this code takes the input number from the user is converted it to an integer using the int function. We have used list comprehension to extract each digit of the input number by converting it to a string using the str function. After that, we convert each character back to an integer using the int function. We computed the number of digits in the input number. Also, we stored the digits in a list called digits. After that, we computed the sum of the digits raised to the power of the number of digits using list comprehension and the sum function. After computation, we compare the final sum output to the input number. If they are equal, then print number is an Armstrong number, otherwise print number is not an Armstrong number. Question 3. Write a Python program to check whether a given number is prime number or not. Before directly moving on to the writing prime number program in Python, let's understand. What is prime number? In mathematical terms, a prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that can be divided by only 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 13 are prime numbers. Here 2, 3, or any of the numbers can only be divided by 1 or the number itself. So we can say that numbers are prime numbers. Method 1. Python program to check prime number using for loop. This is the Python program to check whether a given number is prime number or not. Run the Python file to see the expected output. Let me know in the comments section if you have any doubt in any line of code. I will try to explain you. Question 4. Write a Python program to print the Fibonacci series. Before moving directly on the writing Fibonacci series in Python program, let's understand, what is Fibonacci series? A Fibonacci series is a series in which next number is a sum of previous two numbers. For example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. In Fibonacci series, first number starts with 0 and second is with 1 and then it's grow like. Method 1. Fibonacci series using for loop or iterative methods. Here is the Python program to print Fibonacci series using for loop or iterative methods. Run this Python code to see the expected output. If you have any question or doubt in this program, you can comment in comment box below. I'll explain you each line of code. Method 2. Fibonacci series using recursive method. This is the Python program to print Fibonacci series using recursive method. Execute the following code to see the expected result. If you have any question or doubt in any line of code in this program, feel free to comment your question in comment below. I'm happy to explain you each line of code. Next question. Write a Python program to check whether a number is palindrome or not. Before moving directly on the writing the program to check whether a given number is palindrome or not, you should know. What is palindrome number? A palindrome number is a number which reverse is equal to the original number means number itself. For example, 121, 111, 1223221, etc. In these example you can see that 121 is a palindrome number. Because reverse of the 121 is same as 121. Here is the Python program to check given number is palindrome number or not. Run the Python code to see the expected output. If you have any question or confusion in any line of code, let me know in the comments section. I will explain you each line of code. That's all for this video. We will do more coding practice and interview questions in upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up for more content, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.